Hello guys, so in today's video I will be explaining a strategy that can be used with the 5X target indicator using the wave trend oscillator for determining the direction or the market bias. So this is like the indicator, and in this indicator you can see the entry box, which is this one. Now, there is the first dotted line. This is a target, and it's equal to 2 times the risk because, as you know, the risk for the initial entry is this box from here to this one. This is the stop loss, and this is the entry here. It can happen here. Now, this is the first target. For people who want to move their stop losses to break even, they can do it at this first target, or they can take half of the position and let the other half run for the 5x target, or they can just leave everything to run until the 5x target and just move the stop loss to break even of the position. So how do we determine if we are going to be buying or selling on the 5x target indicator? So are we going to buy? This is the buy. Or are we going to sell? So in determining this, I have found the wave trend oscillator to be especially useful. Now, I like to use the chart on the 15 minutes, and I like to use the wave trend on the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes, we will get, of course, let me just explain that this wave trend indicator, it's a multi-time frame. So here you have to choose 30 minutes to activate it. And I'm using here on this example for the signals and for the histogram, the lagger filter. Now you can choose from different things, but I'm using for this example the lagger filter. Okay, you can experiment with the other ones, it's not a problem. These are like mainly it's an oscillator to tell you like the next phase is going to be bearish or bullish. So it will give you a market bias for the next day of trading. Now, how to use it is as follows. So we look at the last signal that happened on the wave trend on the 30 minutes. We find on the last signal before the starting of the session today, it was giving us, it was in an overbought situation. So we would expect the market to go down after this. Now, of course, there are some times that can happen that we will have like a breakout above this box, but I will save this to a different video. Now, for this one, we have like a bearish bias going to be into today's session because the last signal was a sell. Okay, this was a sell. It was an overbought signal on this wave trend oscillator, and as you can see, it went down. Maybe it didn't hit exactly the entry of this box, but if you look, for example, on Euro US dollar, so on Euro US dollar, the last one was here. So we had a signal here. Now it's not showing properly because the colors are similar, but we can change the colors of the dot. However, you can see that in moving into today's session, we had a oversold signal. So we will wait until the Euro US dollar will come into the box. We will then look to start to buy after it gets out of the box. So usually what I like to see is this: coming into the box, closing inside the box, and then the first candle that closes above the box, if it's like near like this one, then I will just buy or wait for a retest of the box and buy, or I can just buy just going into the box. So it's up to you how you want to confirm your entry. So this is going to be like 21 pips. This is 45 pips. It's 2 to 1. The first target is 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, and this is the 5 to 1. So in this case, for example, if you took the first trade, And then, of course, as you know, we exit all trades at the end of the day at 1900. So these are CET plus 1. It's most brokers offer this time frame, especially European-based brokers or Australian-based brokers. So most brokers use this CET plus 1, which is like IC Markets and other brokers. So this is how I like to use this indicator. It gives us accurate entries. It gives us disciplined trading, and it's very, very easy to use. So this is how I like to use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the under this video. And you will find also links to get this indicator under this video as well. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.